So today I'm at my office here at the Douglas County Extension Office in Omaha, and we're doing a variety taste test for the All-America Selections variety trial that I told you about earlier in the year on Backyard Farmer. So we're testing out all of the new varieties that All-American Selections wants to test out to potentially be an award winner for garden catalogs and seed packets next year. So if you've ever looked on the back of a seed packet or seen in a catalog a little circle that has AAS in it, that's an All-America Selections winner, meaning that it's been tested in gardens around the country and shown to have some sort of trait that makes it better than what's on the market. So sometimes it could be that it tastes better than other things on the market. It could grow better, it could have better disease resistance. And that's one of the things that I've been looking at throughout the year on 13 different crops in our farm, Cooper Farm, here in Omaha. So we are looking at these 13 different crops to test out to see exactly if they're better than what's on the market. So we have 4 different varieties of hot peppers, 3 different varieties of tomatoes, some eggplant radishes that we're doing as a microgreen or a sprout, and cantaloupe and bok choy. These are all different things that we've tested out throughout the year to see how well they're growing. So some of them, it turned out that they did much better than what was available sent to us from the market, and some of them didn't do so well. So those results will go back to the All-America Selections organization, which is a nonprofit organization, and they will compare the scores from the gardens all around the country and see if something is meritorious, if it will get the All-America Selection Award. And then you'll see that in your garden catalog, on your seed packet, or on the tag at the store next year. You will see the All-America Selection seal for the stuff that we are testing out this year. You can also go to the Backyard Farmer Garden on campus and see what we are testing out. So all the winners will be there next year for you to see exactly how they grow and if you want to add them to your garden. So I have master gardeners here today taste testing. We've prepared some of these crops in a variety of different ways, and they're sort of taste testing, looking to see exactly, does it taste better than the 2 that are already on the market that were sent to compare? Does it taste the same? Does it taste worse? And that will go into the ratings for the All-America Selection.